What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AJ. Just got back from Mexico. That boy tired as hell. As you can see in my face, dog. Tired. But yeah, about to slide to the shop, man. Get these CATLESS mids installed on the charger. They came in, you already know. So hopefully this baby's gonna be louder than a mug. But yeah, guys, I'm picking Carlos up right now. He should be out here soon. And yeah, guys, I'll record more once we get to the shop. Record all that, the whole process, everything, the before and the after. So hopefully you guys can see the difference. And if you guys got a charger and you want to do it too, well then there you go. You feel me? Yeah, guys. Look at this dude. Look at this dude.
Subway.
What's wrong with you, dog?
Saw me walking?
Yeah, bro. What's up?
It's my new fucking walk, bro. That's the Carlos Vlogs walk, dog.
That's the Carlos Vlog walk?
Hell yeah.
I fucks with it.
You got the shit, man?
Yeah, boy.
So where we going, dog?
To the shop to put the CATLESS mids on. Yeah, dog. You happy?
Hell yeah.
Cause I'm about to gain like 500 horsepower.
Bitch, our ears are about to fucking pop.
No, it's not.
Bitch, it's gonna be worse when you got off the airplane, bitch.
No, it's not. Yeah, guys, we've come for them Hellcats. The stainless works. Hey, I'm gonna be doing Hellcat numbers now, right?
Hell yeah. It's gonna be smoking them bitches.
But yeah, guys, stay tuned.
It's gonna be a demon, bitch.
Boy, I'm tired as hell. So we're about to do a before and after. Before the CATLESS mids go on. This is what it sounds like.
What happened?
I'm gonna have to take one of these Camaros.
They're clean, right? Which one would you go with? Fuck, I can't see from back here.
That white one?
The white one? Oh, yeah, that one is clean. I like that black one though.
What's up, y'all? Currently waiting in the waiting room. He's finna let us go in there though and get some footage and stuff, so I fucks with it. Y'all come check out. Y'all already know. Get that hookup. If you gotta come any LS, yeah, get a good ass price. A little turbo. Hey bro, what you got, bro?
What I got about what?
What kind of car you got?
I got a 05 Silverado. Cam coming in soon. Y'all stay tuned.
Fucks with it. I fucks with it. But yeah, guys, just stay tuned. I'm gonna record more of the vehicle. I was about to say the vehicle. Yeah, I'm gonna record more of the car. Alright, guys. I love you. Oh my god, I love you. No, it's already dirty, bro. I'm gonna clean it right after. But here's the after.
That shit loud. Hey, I didn't get it! Do it again! Do it again, I didn't get it!
Boy, I tore that bathroom up, nigga.
Really?
Yeah, dog.
I could tell, bro. I smelled that shit.
Come here.
Nah.
Fuck is this shit, man?
Hold on, bro. Let me.
God damn, dog. But you wanna take my front bumper off? It's gonna take forever.
Why are you gonna take it off?
To fix it, to change the front lights.
Where you at?
What?
Where you
Where
at?
the fuck you at, man?
Bro, you're still not here?
No, I'm outside.
Bitch, we called you about 30
Oh my god, bro. We've been waiting at AJ's house for like 30 minutes, dog.
Yeah, I'll be alright.
Hurry up, bitch.
Just so that you driving.
Bro, let's just go eat, bro. I'm starving, dog.
Man, I don't wanna eat with you, dog.
Fuck you too.